this is Miss Peo with your On The Go Epipascope. I am very excited for many reasons besides today's horoscope. Mr. Peo is returned to New York City from the cantinas of the Dominican Republic. He is no longer with Horse and he is now with Mrs. Peo where he belongs. Now, let's get to the Pepascope. I'm going to talk to you about it with my handy iPhone 4. Do you know who gave me this iPhone 4? Well, Mr. Peo, of course. Do you know, I wasn't going to forgive him that easily. I'm a peso digger. A peso digger. It's not so easy being with Miss Peo. You gotta get the bling to get the pepper. Anyway, here we go. Today is Peppa's Scoop. Is going to be about the fact that Saturno is turning direct in Libra. And we're going to start with Aries, so I can tell you all the effects of what's going to happen with my handy iPhone 4. Oh look, words with friends. Somebody named Shani Watkins wants to play with me. I'm so excited. Thank you, Mr. Peo, for being a whore. Okay, Aries. You're going to have a big shot at the job. Yeah, you have to partner up because that's where the money is, honey. So think big because mucho's gonna happen, okay? Tauro, focus on academia. Yeah, and you're going to hire someone new. So I don't know, maybe you're gonna study and then you're gonna hire a tutor because you're not very smart and you can't do it by yourself. Or maybe you're gonna study and then you're gonna hire somebody to take the test for you because you're lazy. Little boo. The next episode is for Gemini. Gemini the twins. Money improves for you, which means double because there's two of you. Lucky Geminis. And also romance is better. Maybe you date each other. The next episode is for Cancer. Cancer, relationship with parents improves as does a home matter. So if you live with your parents, then that means they're gonna take you from the basement and give you somewhere in the attic. Lucky you. Basement living sucks. The next episode is for Leo. Leo, there's a big blast of energy in your communication and creative sector. You're also going to have a lot of people that want to work with you. Good for you, little Leo. Good for you. I'm so happy. The next episode is for Virgo. Virgo, there's new positive changes in love and more money as well. So, you know what, honey? Be happy. Don't worry. Be happy. Money comes, money goes, but love lasts forever unless you're with Mr. Peo and then he buys you the iPhone 4. The next I have some news from the astrological gods. What is this news, you may say? Of course, it is people. Go to lovesuhaili.com for love and relationship and sex articles and Suhaili's crazy and love stories. They're so funny and entertaining. Poor her. Will she ever find love? I don't know. I might be psychic, but I'm not a genius. So go to lovesuhaili.com, LOVESUJEIRY.com for all the juicy stuff. I'm back. What was the last Pepascope? Oh, we were at Virgo last. Now it means Libra. Libra, you have had problems with money, honey. You haven't had good luck with jobs. Now is your time to shine career-wise. Don't worry. Be happy, just like Virgo. The next Pepascope is for Scorpio. Scorpio, this is in your direct house of 12. Your 12th house. That's what I meant. My bilingualism, something is not very good. My English, my Spanish, and I speak a little bit Chinese, ni hao. So my brain gets a little crazy sometimes, too many languages because I'm so smart. Anyway, Scorpio, the 12th house is of creative and strategic thinking. So that's going to improve. And also, if you had some negotiations lately, that's also going to go well. So any Scorpios that like hookers, you're going to get a great deal on a blowjob. Libra. Lucky you. The next horoscope is for Capricorn. Oh no, Sagittario, I'm sorry, I skip you. You're important. Not as important to me, but you're important to somebody out there. So I'm gonna say it anyway. Events are gonna work in your family and things are gonna come together. Money improves. So whatever you're doing that you're working on event-wise with family is gonna be great. It's kind of boring, but hey, what can I say? It's what the stars tell me. The next horoscope is for Capricorn. Capricorn, you're not going to feel this as much as the other ones, the Saturn and Libra, but something's gonna come to you in the medical field or in a hospital. I'm sorry, baby, to let you know that maybe somebody's gonna be in a sicky coma. Hopefully it's not you, Capricorn. Hopefully it's like, Leo. The next horoscope is for Aquarius. Aquarius, there was a trip that stalled. I don't know. You like to travel a lot, so that's kind of hard to believe. But something that you really wanted to do overseas just didn't work out. But now that Saturn is in Libra and it is direct, all motions are a go. Vroom vroom, go Aquarius. And the last horoscope is for the little fishies in the she. You see, I speak Japanese too. It is for Pisces. Pisces, paperwork clears up. There's been a lot of things that have been in the mix that have not gone well with paperwork. Maybe you had to pay taxes. Maybe you did fraud. Shame on you, Fifi. Shame on you, Fifi, Fufu. That's French. Anyways, there's also a new career, a prospect for you, a Pisces. That is all for today's horoscope. I love you all very much. Tomorrow is Saturday, and on Saturday I take breaks because Mr. Peo likes sex appeal and a lot of sexy time with my beba on Saturdays. So I will see you Sunday for the next horoscope. Call me now! Oh, one more thing. This horoscope has been sponsored by Relax Riesling, because this is what me and Mr. Peo are going to drink tomorrow from the crack of the dawn to the dawn to the crack while we sexy time and rocking the boots all day. Have a good night now!